sir, a big moment for you in your life also. What's your reaction actually?
I express my gratitude.
With minimum investment, maximum output. That's my theory, and we are successful.
Towards Congress President Rahul ji, they have taken a decision with the blessings of Madam Sonia ji.
എന്നെ പഠിപ്പിച്ച ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സാർ മോശമായതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്കത് മനസ്സിലായില്ല.
I'm very grateful to them. I'm very grateful to them. And I dedicate my chief ministership to the people.
എന്തൊരു അറിവാ നിനക്ക്.
കൈരളി ടിവിയിൽ അശ്വമേധം നടത്താൻ ക്ഷണിച്ചതാ, ഞാൻ പോയില്ല, വേറെ പണിയില്ല.
People of Kerala. And we have made many offers that we will start a new era. We will change Kerala. We will make changes. We will bring the Kerala as a number one state in India.
പൊട്ട നീ ഇതെങ്ങനെ?
ഞാൻ ട്രൈ ചെയ്തിടാ ട്രൈ.
Congress supporters were a little upset with the celebration. So is it time to give them?
It's quite natural. Congress is a democratic party. The CLP meeting adopted a resolution and interested the Congress president to take a decision.
എന്താ ഷൈട്ട് പറഞ്ഞേ? ഒന്നും മനസ്സിലായില്ല, പക്ഷെ കാണിക്കണ്ട.
All the leaders communicated. This is not a one-sided decision which is happening in BJP or CPM. And they have interacted with the MLAs, MPs, former PCC presidents, senior leaders, even a cross-section of the public.
என்ன செய்ய முடியும், இங்கிலீஷ்லயே பேசி பழக்கமாய் போச்சு.
They have conducted. This is the democratic procedure, not happening in anywhere, any other parties. I am proud of that, this procedure. Maybe you can say that it is delayed. Many states, many parties are taking delaying decisions. So this is a democratic process.
ആകെ ചളമായി, ഇനിയിപ്പോ എന്തോ ചെയ്യും? ചക്ക കുഴയുന്ന പോലെ കുഴഞ്ഞു.